Bummer. Is he doing his review?
Oh my goodness, now it's going. Yes. Oh my goodness. It's 7:30. No, at this point, okay. So this is totally crazy. I turned off the chat. I disabled the chat. Hello, it's Mr. Ippolito. I disabled the chat, and then crazy enough, it now works. Okay, that is so weird. All right, so hey, okay, that is absolutely hilarious. We have been trying for the last 30 minutes to get this to work. Hello, hey, it's Mr. Ippolito. So I'm not going crazy, and the YouTube live thing does work. Okay, so here's the deal. For those of you who are still tuned in, all 12 of you, hello, you're still there, hanging out. It's so funny. So what happened was I disabled the chat, and then I hit go live again, and what happens? It goes ahead and it works. Okay. So I'm not sure why chat and the live stream weren't working at the same time, but I will tell you this, for those of you who are still tuning in, all 11 of you, I don't know who you are anymore, but whoever it is, I will tell you this, if you're just joining us or if you've been sticking around. Here's the way we've decided to do this, or here's the way I've decided to do this. Because there were so many people who were waiting for this review to happen, and because I think we had a limited amount of time, 10 or 15 minutes at most in class to go over the study guide. So here's how we're going to do this. Tomorrow, for my A day students, and on Friday for my B day students, you are still going to do the written portion of the exam. So you're not off the hook for that. You still have the written portion of the exam to do. So let's be clear. You will still be doing that. That is based on the gallery walk activity that we did, the causes of the American Revolution gallery walk. And that last closing activity, your writing assignment is going to be based very closely on that prompt. Maybe not exact language, but based very closely on that prompt. So that will still happen. The multiple choice portion, unfortunately, is going to have to wait until next week so that we have a proper time to review. So to sum up, multiple choice has been postponed until next week. The written portion will still happen as scheduled tomorrow A day and Friday B day. Okay, well, this is a really, really quick, a really brief live chat for Mr. Ippolito's U.S. history class. And I'm sorry it's just now working at 30 minutes after we were scheduled to start. But I think it's only fair to make those adjustments in the schedule so that everyone has an opportunity to study and review and to do their very best. All right. Mr. Ippolito students, thank you so much. All 19 of you who are now on, that's my daughter, Libby, 7th grader on Team Columbia. Hey, I just want to say thank you again for sticking with me and for, sometimes these things happen. And so you have two reactions, two ways that you can go. You can either get really flustered and frustrated. You can give up. You can get, scared or angry, or you just keep trying your best. And if it doesn't work out, then you just, that there's always another day and you can try it again. So that's exactly what we'll do. Folks, thank you so much. You have a good evening. Continue to study for the written portion of the exam tomorrow, and good luck with the rest of your homework tonight. Get some sleep, get a good night's rest, and I'll see you A day students. I'll see you tomorrow, and B day students, I'll see you Friday. Thanks so much. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.